If you are getting 510 FPS or massive lag in the second half of EA Sports FC26 on PC, you're not alone. Many players say the first half runs perfectly, but after halftime, the game suddenly turned into a slideshow. Most Reddit users found the issue is caused by broken VSync and FPS limiter setting. First fix: disable the in-game FPS limiter, open FC26, go to disable settings, turn VSync off, set frame rate limit to unlimited. Many players reported this fixed the issue immediately. Next, cap FPS through nvidia or AMD software. Open nvidia control panel or AMD Adrenaline, find EA Sports FC26, set max frame rate to your monitor, refresh rate like 60, 120 or 144 FPS. Also turn low latency mode to ultra. This is currently one of the most upvoted Reddit fix. Still getting lag after halftime? Switch to windowed borderless mode. Many users said full screen triggers the FPS drop after cutscenes. Another fix: lower render scale. Go to graphics settings, set render scale to 75% or 85%, especially helpful for 4GB and 6GB graphic cards. Also disable extra visual effects. Turn off playstyle plus indicators, turn off players feedback overlays, turn off tactical suggestion. These settings are causing FPS spikes for many players. Last fix: verify game files. On Steam, right-click FC26, open Properties, then Install Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Many users found corrupted update files were causing the second half FPS bug. Try these fixes one by one, but turning VSync off and using nvidia AMD FPS cap is currently the most successful community fix. Bye bye.